do love a good deal. I love, love, love a good deal. You tell me it's on sale, I don't even care the price. I'm gonna buy it, right? Because that's how women are. But here's the deal. This is an amazing deal, okay? $337 worth of product for $125. Here's how you get it. You sign up to be a beauty influencer. What is that? Well, it's $19.99, okay? Then you own your own business or you get a discount for yourself, right? It immediately comes with a 50% discount. And if you want to build an empire and make some extra cash, whether it be a couple $100, couple $1,000, or tens of thousands of dollars a month, like there's no limit, right? But it takes hard work. It's not easy. I'm not even going to tell you it's easy, but you get a 50% discount and you earn 50% commission right away. You can earn up to an additional 25% commission on everything that you sell. That's amazing. You guys, it's kind of a no-brainer. We are the number one. I'm not just saying we're one of the top. We are number one paid direct selling company out there. We pay the best. It's amazing. And I want to show you this beauty kit for $125 because I think it gives you everything you need to really start your business, okay? Here's the deal. You get the CC and BB cream. You're not picking colors in this, okay? Your kit should come with some foundation samples. You can kind of color match yourself, but this is a light to medium. There's only 4 shades of BB cream, so I feel like right now in winter, most all my friends are going to be either light or light to medium, okay? So this is it. I'm light to medium. These are the shades I wear, so it's perfect. You get both primers, so you can try them, see which one you like. You guys, each one of this lasts me at least 6 months, okay? And you're going to tell your friends about it because it's amazing. And then when you tell them that it's only $12.90, they're going to be like, oh, well, I need that. Guess what? It's $12.90, but your discount is 50% of that. You just made $6.45 when you sold this. And it's amazing. You're going to want to, right? So you get the 2 CC creams. You get the 2 primers. You guys, there is so much amazing stuff. You get the Time Lacquer spray. I sprayed it at the beginning and the end. It's incredible. You get a pressed powder in the shade Neutral. So this one is going to be pretty light, but it's going to go with the CC cream. It's going to be perfect, right? You're going to get to try the blushes. They're so pigmented, and look at this one. Do you see the shimmer in it? This is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous color. One of my all-time favorite products, right? One of the reasons why I joined Farmasi. The 3-in-1 kit has a mirror, but it has your contour, your blush, and your highlight. It's amazing. You will love it. I promise you. It's great for all skin types. You guys, you get our 2 newest mascaras. They're not putting stuff in this kit that like nobody wants, so they throw it in the kit. No, they're putting our best selling products in here. Limitless. It's absolutely amazing. It has a Capixel formula that helps with lash growth, which, hello, we all want longer lashes, right? And then the Double Lash Extend has the 2 different applications for a really false lash look. It's awesome. You get 3 liners. You get the kind of twist up one in brown. You get the one I use every single day, waterproof black. It's amazing. And then you get the ink liner that I absolutely love. You see me use this all the time. You guys, my favorite products are in here. If you love a great wing, but you're like, I could never do it, this liner will allow you to do that. I promise you. You guys, you get the eye primer that I use. You can do it under eye to really cover up lines, bags, creases, all that. And then you can put it on your eye to make your eyeshadows pop, do all the things. It's really an incredible product. You get a brow mascara, okay? You get 2 lip glosses. You guys, this is the one I use every single day. The Nude Flirt that I tell you about all the time. This is Rose Fame, so you kind of get to try both of them. They're both nude. Then you get 3 lipsticks. So you get a really bold because I want you to try to be brave. You get a nude, and then you kind of get this, I don't know, it's kind of more of a darker, deeper nude color. But they're all absolutely gorgeous. They stay on all, that one's darker. They stay on all day long, non-transferable. They're incredible, okay? Here's the real kicker. The brand new Glam Up Palette. Yeah, this comes in here too. Look at those colors. And I'm going to show you how to use all this. When you get this kit from me and you get it and you're like, I don't know what to do with it, I'm going to make you a video just like this one. And I'm going to send it to you and say, this is how you use every bit of this product. You guys, we are such beautiful creatures. And when I put makeup on, I feel confident. I feel like I know, like I'm okay coming on here. I have great skincare. You guys, there's some great skincare kits that are absolutely incredible. And if that's where you're going with it, tell me, I'll send you those, because literally there's one that has the entire Lumi Radiance brightening line that I'm using right now. It blows your mind. And the age reverses the entire lines of both skincares for like 145 bucks. That's crazy, right? If you want information on that, you get that, right? This is the Love on My Beauty Kit, because you get your full face of everything. You get stuff that you can do before and after pictures. You get stuff that you can do videos. You get stuff that you can do lives. You guys, businesses are built on lives. And I know that that's scary, and I know that it's hard, but I believe in you. You can do this, right? So I don't know what you're waiting for, but it's $19.99 to join. This kit is an additional $125, and you get everything that I just showed you. You guys, the time is now. #1 paid direct selling company in the industry. That's insane. They pay more to beauty influencers than any other company. We are the highest compensated people. If you're working for a company and you're like, you know what, I'm not really making money here, give this a try, because my mind has been blown with it. like life-changing type amounts of money. I absolutely love you guys. If you have questions, just let me know. Ask them, message me, reach out to me. I am here to help you get your business started. I have the most amazing team training. They are incredible. And my team specifically are the most uplifting, positive, amazing people you will ever meet. And they are all there to help you. And it's so incredible. So ask the questions, pray about it, and then do this with me, because you guys, it's so good. It's so fun too. It's